Welcome to Mass Production Marvels, where we explore the incredible journey of transforming humble agricultural waste into essential daily use paper products. Deep within the tropical plantations, banana trees grow rapidly, but after harvesting the fruit, the massive stems are usually left behind. Instead of letting these fibrous stalks rot away, innovative factories collect them to begin a revolutionary cycle of sustainable paper manufacturing. Logistics play a crucial role as these raw materials are transported to the facility where engineering meets nature in perfect harmony. Once inside the processing plant, massive industrial blades slice the stems into smaller pieces, preparing them for the intense fiber extraction. Powerful hydraulic rollers exert immense pressure to squeeze out moisture and separate the dense plant juices from the valuable organic fibers. The raw fibers are then submerged into vast vats to soak, softening the tough cell walls for easier processing in subsequent stages. Next, the mixture enters heavy-duty industrial pulpiers that grind the fibers until they reach a consistent and smooth liquid consistency. Sophisticated filtering systems strain the slurry, removing any remaining impurities to ensure that only the highest quality fibers proceed further along. A thin layer of refined pulp is carefully spread across a wide moving belt, beginning the transformation into a continuous sheet. Giant heated rollers apply consistent pressure, effectively pressing out the excess water and flattening the fibers into a thin, durable surface. The paper then glides through a temperature-controlled drying tunnel where hot air evaporates every remaining trace of moisture from layers. Once completely dry, the paper is wound onto massive jumbo rolls, ready to be converted into the final consumer product size. Smart robotic systems handle the heavy lifting, transporting these jumbo rolls to the cutting station with absolute precision and unmatched efficiency. Advanced laser cutting technology trims the wide rolls into specific widths, ensuring every single sheet meets strict quality control standards daily. Specialized embossing rollers then press delicate patterns onto the paper, enhancing both the structural integrity and the softness of the material. Automated winding machines quickly wrap the patterned paper around cardboard cores, creating the familiar rolls found in every household bathroom now. Optical sensors scan every inch of the finished product, immediately rejecting any rolls that fail to meet our high-quality standards. A high-speed packaging machine wraps the rolls in protective plastic, sealing them tightly to ensure hygiene and long-term freshness. Robotic arms stack the packaged bundles onto pallets, organizing them perfectly for efficient shipping to retailers across the entire global market. Efficient forklifts move the finished goods into the climate-controlled warehouse, waiting for distribution to reach customers in their local stores. The final product is remarkably soft, strong, and environmentally friendly, proving that waste can truly become a valuable resource for everyone.
A circular economy
This
approach
circular
means
economy
designing
model
out waste and
significantly
pollution,
reduces
keeping products
deforestation
and
by
materials in
utilizing
use,
agricultural
and
waste
regenerating
instead of
natural
cutting down
systems.
trees for our paper needs. Skilled operators monitor the entire process through advanced digital dashboards, ensuring that every machine operates at peak performance and energy efficiency. The production line runs continuously, demonstrating how modern engineering can streamline complex tasks into a seamless and highly productive industrial flow. Even the energy powering these machines is sourced from renewable solar panels, making the entire manufacturing process carbon neutral and sustainable. Water used in the pulping process is treated and recycled within the plant, ensuring minimal impact on the surrounding local ecosystem. Team members carefully pack the finished goods into sturdy boxes, preparing them for the final journey to households and commercial businesses. The trucks depart as the sun sets, carrying sustainable products to market, fulfilling the promise of a greener future for everyone. In the aisles of your local store, shoppers make conscious choices by selecting sustainable products that support a healthier, greener planet. Under the microscope, the strength of banana fibers becomes clear, revealing why they are an excellent alternative to traditional wood pulp. Comparing these two materials highlights the durability of plant-based alternatives, which offer a softer touch while protecting our precious forests. Global demand for sustainable paper continues to rise, driving innovation and encouraging more companies to adopt these eco-friendly manufacturing methods.
The spectral
Dedicated
analysis
researchers
confirms the
in our
presence of
labs
the
work
synthesized
tirelessly
compound
to
across
improve the
surface.
fiber
And the
extraction
tensile strength
process,
data
making it
supports the
even
improved
more
durability we're
efficient
seeing
and
right here.
cost-effective. Our packaging design reflects the purity of the contents, using recycled materials and soy-based inks for a truly conscious product. Behind every great product is a team of passionate individuals who take pride in creating sustainable solutions for a better world. As night falls, the facility remains a beacon of progress, operating silently to maintain the supply of essential goods for millions. The factory blends seamlessly into the landscape, proving that industrial progress and environmental protection can coexist without compromising on quality standards. Beyond paper, the versatile banana fiber is being tested for use in textiles, packaging, and even construction materials for future projects. Touch the surface and you will immediately notice the superior quality and softness that sets our paper apart from conventional brands. By investing in sustainable practices today, we are planting the seeds for a greener future for the next generation to enjoy. Our reach now extends across continents, bringing eco-friendly paper solutions to homes and businesses in every corner of the globe. These awards recognize our commitment to ethical manufacturing and environmental stewardship, validating the hard work of our entire dedicated production team. Regular maintenance ensures that every piece of machinery operates smoothly, preventing waste and ensuring the highest efficiency during our daily operations. Each roll is stamped with our signature mark, representing our promise of quality, sustainability, and transparency in all our manufacturing processes. This simple animation illustrates the circular journey of our fibers, showing how nature and technology work together to create something useful. As the morning mist lifts, the factory awakens, ready to transform another batch of agricultural waste into high-quality paper products. Our brand stands for innovation, and we are constantly seeking new ways to refine our processes and reduce our environmental footprint. The process begins with the raw material, where the fibrous layers are carefully separated to reveal the strength hidden within nature. Inside the pulpier, the raw fibers are broken down, creating a rich slurry that forms the base of our premium paper rolls. On the mesh screen, the liquid transforms into a solid sheet as water is drained away to leave behind the paper fibers. Infrared lamps provide uniform heat, drying the paper rapidly while maintaining the integrity and strength of the individual plant-based fibers. Precision blades slice through the jumbo roll, creating smaller, manageable sizes that are perfect for distribution to retailers around the world. We use biodegradable plastic for our packaging, ensuring that our commitment to sustainability extends beyond the product to its final wrapping. Our warehouse is a model of efficiency, where every pallet is tracked and stored to ensure quick dispatch to our loyal customers. Customers love the quality of our banana fiber paper, often commenting on its softness and the peace of mind it provides them. The delicate embossed patterns are not just for aesthetics, they improve the absorbency and usability of our premium bathroom tissue rolls. Every aspect of our facility was meticulously planned, from the flow of materials to the energy consumption of our heavy machinery. Safety is our top priority, and every team member is equipped with the best gear to ensure a secure working environment daily. Each new day brings more opportunities for innovation as we refine our processes to make our paper even better for the environment. The natural beauty of these fibers is preserved throughout the manufacturing process, resulting in a product that feels organic and truly authentic. Our advanced water filtration system ensures that every drop used in production is cleaned and returned to the environment without any pollution. The rhythmic dance of our robotic arms is a testament to the precision and reliability of modern industrial automation in our factory. Find our products in the eco-friendly section of your favorite supermarket, where we proudly stand out for our sustainable manufacturing heritage. Our strategy team meets weekly to discuss new ways to expand our impact and bring sustainable paper to even more global markets. The final role is pure and clean, meeting the highest standards for hygiene while remaining completely safe for every member of family. By choosing banana fiber, we help preserve these beautiful forests, ensuring they continue to thrive for future generations of wildlife and people. Each box is carefully sealed, ready to be shipped to partners who share our dedication to quality and environmental responsibility every day. Look for our logo when you shop, a symbol of our commitment to excellence and a better planet for all living beings today. The speed and accuracy of our laser cutting system allow us to maintain high production volumes without sacrificing the quality of paper. This facility is the heart of our operations, where technology meets nature to create sustainable products that make a real difference daily. Quality control is a manual process as well, as our staff inspects each batch to ensure it meets our strict internal benchmarks. Our distribution network spans the globe, ensuring that everyone has access to high-quality, sustainable paper products wherever they may live today. These raw fibers are the foundation of our success, a gift from nature that we transform into something truly useful and durable daily. The power of our pulpiers is unmatched, breaking down dense fibers into the smooth pulp needed for our premium paper products now. Watch the paper move through the machines, a seamless flow that represents the harmony between industrial engineering and natural, sustainable raw materials. Controlled heat ensures the paper is perfectly dry, retaining its strength and softness for the comfort of your home and your family. The sheer scale of our jumbo rolls is impressive, holding thousands of meters of paper ready to be converted into consumer goods. Automation is the key to our efficiency, allowing us to package thousands of rolls every hour with consistent quality and perfect precision. Our warehouse is a masterclass in organization, ensuring that every order is fulfilled promptly and delivered to our partners with great care. Each roll you hold is a product of our dedication to sustainability, quality, and the pursuit of a greener future for everyone. We take pride in the subtle details of our products, from the embossed patterns to the soft feel of the finished sheet. The design of our plant is constantly evolving as we integrate new technologies to improve our efficiency and reduce our environmental impact. Our team is the soul of this factory, and their passion for sustainability is what drives our mission forward every single day. The golden hour light reflects off our facility, highlighting the clean and modern infrastructure we have built to serve our global community. These fibers are strong, durable, and sustainable, making them the perfect choice for the future of paper manufacturing and global consumer goods. Our water treatment system is state-of-the-art, ensuring that we protect the environment while we produce the highest quality paper. Precision is at the heart of everything we do, from the initial fiber extraction to the final packaging of our finished goods. When you choose our products, you are supporting a sustainable vision that benefits the planet and improves the quality of your life. We are always looking ahead, planning for new innovations that will help us continue to lead the industry in sustainable paper production. This role represents our commitment to you and the environment, a perfect balance of quality, sustainability, and affordability for every single household. Our efforts are dedicated to protecting these forests, and we hope that you join us in our mission for a greener world today. Thank you for being part of this journey as we continue to innovate and create sustainable paper products for our global customers. Our brand is built on trust, transparency, and a relentless commitment to quality that you can see in every single paper roll. The technology we use is designed to be efficient and precise, ensuring that we minimize waste while maximizing the value for you. As we conclude our factory tour, we hope you feel inspired by the incredible potential of sustainable manufacturing in our modern world. Thank you for watching Mass Production Marvels, and please join us next time as we explore more wonders of modern industrial manufacturing. We appreciate your time, so stay tuned for future episodes as we continue to uncover the marvels of global sustainable production processes.